Hey everybody, I was going to show you what I bought at Five Below. I did a video and the video totally didn't work. So what I got was this Force of Destiny Star Wars Rey Jakku figure. I got this cool Massive Monster Mayhem figure. And I found Raphael. Here's the monster figure. Pretty cool. Hold on, let me go find Raphael and Rey figures. Here's the Rey figure. I've messed up her hair, and she has this weird gimmick thing that goes on. I took her stuff off. Here's her accessories. I was complaining how she didn't have this and this when she was on Jakku. She didn't get her gun until she met Han Solo in the movie. She didn't have her lightsaber until, I think, a whole entire another movie. This comes off. This comes off. All her clothes come off. The best part of her is she had BB-8. That was the main thing I really liked about her. Keeping the accessories for someone more worthy than her to have them. I'm going to sell her. Here's Raphael. He has 4 sides. He has 2 broken sides and he has 2 other sides. He has 2 ninja stars, which should have been in here. Where is everything? Stuff just disappears. Oh my gosh. Because I put everything in this bag. It disappeared. There's one in size. Here's this 2, whatever these things are called. If you know, comment down below. Here's the figure. I finally found Raphael. Because you remember in my other Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle video. Here's his ninja stars. That they didn't have Raphael. Which kind of sucked. Don't know where one of his sides is. I guess it disappeared. But anyway, that's his figure. Now I'm going to unbox this thing here. This bag of random figures. We got a car. We got a troll Pez. We got my camera acting weird. We got some kind of gargoyle thing that I'll open in a minute. We got a turtle. I already have this turtle, so it go in the cell pal. We got a pig. Got that cat that was.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Let's have a party. Yeah, careful there. You know what I'm saying. Let's have a party. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Let's have a party. Yeah, careful there.
Then we have these cartoons. We have an Energizer Bunny. It's supposed to be a light, but I doubt if he works. Yeah, he probably don't work because it's probably out of batteries, which defies the whole point of the Energizer Bunny, which keeps going and 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 going. We have our lasso rope here. It's pretty cool. We have a little baby gargoyle creature. Pretty cool. We have a Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Where are you? Got some things to do now. We have a weird looking thing with a snow globe, I guess, with a cat in it. A skateboard. Okay. We got a skeleton. Happy Halloween, early, I guess. Got some more crazy junk. We got a Soldier Boy. We got a dolphin. with some explosives on them. Okay. He's going to blow stuff up. He looks cool, so I think I'll keep him. Actually, I think he's a shark. Not a dolphin. Never mind. We got Dino. Dino! And when you roll him, his tongue sticks out. We got another cartoon thing. We got one of the Three Little Piggies from Busybody's card here. Got another cartoon. These cartoons are pretty cool. Let's check them out. So, anyway, so what they do is their gimmick is that they break apart like this, and you can like move them and twist them and drive them. This is the limo cartoon. Then we have these were from Wendy's, 1996, kids meal toys. This is the split apart truck. See, he breaks like that when you press that. Then we have Food Avenue Very Fast Food Collect All 4. It's a car. Don't even know how old this one is. But it's a car from a place called Food Avenue. He's a drinkster. And the only thing that shows you that it's from Food Avenue is this sticker that's literally coming off. Anybody know Food Avenue? It must be a Food Avenue fast food place. Anybody ever seen this? I mean, I've seen some fast food toys, but never seen these. Anybody remember these cartoons from Wendy's? I'm gonna keep them. I think they're pretty cool. Comment down below. Also, here's one from Burger King's Kids Club. This is the Gargoyles Stone Warriors. Collect all 5. They have the Spin Attack Broadway, Sparkling Spinner, Spectroscope. I think that's what this is, the Spectroscope. Brock's Launcher, Mini Viewer. This is the Spectroscope. Gargoyles. Gargoyles is a great show. So it has these different, it has the girl, it has the main guy, Goliath, whatever the girl's name is, and it has a dark thing. So what you can do is, whoa. If y'all, I don't know if y'all can see through there, but whatever. So what you do is you put the different sticker on it, and then you try to see the, not sticker, but then you try to like view it, and the person or Pog, the Pog thing that you got shows up, and it has this weird thing because you can see how you know how those things work, where they make everything multiple viewed and stuff. They're pretty cool. Anyway, Gargoyles is a cool show. So that's I guess it for the little action figure haul thing that I managed to get. I got the action figures at Five Below and in this bag from the Antique Mall thing. Anyways, happy Halloween! Remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Cowabunga! Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And keep going. And keep watching and watching and watching and liking and commenting and subscribing to my channel.
Careful there. You know what I'm saying.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Let's have a party.
Let's have a party.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful there.
Careful there. I think this is one of the pigs from Little Busy Town or something. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty neat little stuff. Also got a new badge, which I'll show in another video. Oh, me. Later. Remember, guys, good all the time, guys, good. Keep on gaming, like, comment, subscribe, share. Laters.